Hi guys, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk.Blair. I'm going to do you a little walk around on this unit here. This is a 2015 Evo by Forest River T2550. So it's a 25 footer. It actually has a triple bunk. I'm going to show you that inside in just a second. Let's move around the outside real quick and I'll show you a few nice features. On this side you can see the big slide out, which is pretty awesome. It does have a very large slide. It does have a front pass-through bay, which I love. Plenty of storage. So on the front here, you're gonna have a power tongue jack with a load light, dual propane tanks, another load light here, and it also comes with a battery disconnect on the front. So you can undo your batteries for storage sake and not kill your batteries. It's kind of nice. Make your way around the unit. We're gonna have a power awning. And before we go inside, I want to show you this cool little load storage area out here that's accessible. You do have a ladder on the back of this guy as well. So you open this door and here's your bunks. Now this has 3 bunks. There's another bunk here above me. Well, what's cool about this particular unit is this mattress could come out and you could use it for storage, and this folds up. And it has pins that lock it in place at that level there. So if you wanted to, you could actually put bikes in here, your coolers, storage, all kinds of whatever you need. Dog crates, you know, they could reside back here, and that way they kind of have a house inside the unit, able to get some fresh air and whatnot. It's also an emergency egress. So as you make your way inside, you can tell we have a front door to the bedroom, and it has both solid entry doors, which gives you a little more room at the foot of the bed and the bedroom. You have storage all the way around. I like this kind of style here that has the little charge ports, but it also has plenty of room right here to not give you that claustrophobic feeling if the cabinets are up a little bit. Spot for your book and whatnot, your telephone or whatever in the night, or alarm clock I should say. But I like that it has a privacy shut off to the rest of the unit. You actually have a bedroom. You do have an entertainment center, a DVD player that does play your radios and the radio and entertainment, and you also have little charge ports there next to that. Couch mixed into a bed with a nice storage drawer underneath it. Throw your linens or towels or whatever you want in there. Big booth dinette, horseshoe that makes into a big bed. And you have a decent bathroom with some storage in the bathroom. Now, you don't get a lot of storage in the bathroom. It's kind of nice that that bathroom runs kind of linear across the back wall there, a little tub, a little storage. And then here is your beds that we looked at from the outside. There's your door there. But you have plenty of storage here, or plenty of friend space or kid space. 3 bunks. Can't really go wrong with that. Large Dometic fridge. Storage all the way around this thing. Decent storage in the kitchen for you. You have drawers, doors, a little shelf underneath there. So this unit does boast quite a lot of little things, a lot of inventory, a lot of pieces. It is going to be a nice unit. It's going to be priced right. It is a pre-owned piece of inventory here at Guaranty RV. Anyhow, this or any other piece, my name is Kirk.Blair. I'm happy to help you out. If you would, please give me a call at 541-601-8742. Have a great day.